Ginger. Fat Ginger.
Fucking dare anyone out there make fun of Brittany.
Yeah, don't try to be nice.
I mean, wow, she really sucks a lot of ass. I mean, she sounds just like a walrus got hit across the face with a flathead shovel.
Oh, baby, baby, how was I supposed to?
I mean, she sounds like freaking Helen Keller got caught in a bear trap.
All the people look at me like I'm a little Cooper. What did you ever think it'd be? Don't pay for me to tell it to this world.
Who kidnapped that person? She got caught with cocaine. She was driving on the sidewalk. That's why I'm scared to go to L.A. because.
But you'll be sure to understand, you warthog-faced buffoon.
You pompous, stuck-up, nut-nosed, English, giant, twerp, scumbag, foot-faced, dickhead, asshole!
You shit-kicking, stinky horse-manure-smelling motherfucker, you!
You dirt-eating piece of slime! You scum-sucking pig! You son of a motherless goat!
Business born insecure junk-yard motherfucker!
You're a fucking secretary. Fuck you! Yeah, that's my message for you. Fuck you and kiss my ass.
You're an emotional fucking cripple. Your soul is dog shit. Every single fucking thing about you is ugly. You are physically repulsive, intellectually retarded, vulgar, insensitive, selfish, stupid. You have no taste, a lousy sense of humor, and you smell.
I don't like your jerk-off name. I don't like your jerk-off face. I don't like your jerk-off behavior. And I don't like you. Jerk-off.
You're a cunt. You're a cunt now. You've always been a cunt. And the only thing that's going to change is you're going to become an even bigger cunt. Maybe have some more cunt kids.